And now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
Let's check in with KTK meteorologist John Adams. John, you know, like I always say, I'm tired of the cold weather, but I hear next week it's going to be pretty chilly.
It is. Even a hint that there could be a little wintry type precipitation there about the middle of the week.
We don't need that. We need the sun and warm.
Don't worry about it. It won't last long, and just enjoy it leading up to that. Let's take a look at what we've got outside right now. It's another mostly cloudy day across East Texas, but I have seen quite a few golfers. They just went out of range of the camera, but quite a few of them out getting in the last round. Most of them were walking. This will be a good day to do that with the chilly temperatures. Right now, as we look out at Eagles Bluff, we're showing 46 degrees. Feels like it's 40 because we got that south-southeast wind at about 14 miles per hour. Not expecting any precipitation for most of the day today, but tonight we do look for the possibility of some showers showing up. Today we've seen just scattered clouds moving across Texas. No rainfall indicated right now in the state. And here in East Texas, we do expect to see cloudy skies for much of the day. Well, we'll call it mostly cloudy. But as we go through the day and on into the evening hours, you see those passing showers start to show up. This is Saturday morning about 10 o'clock. We should start to see a line of showers and perhaps some thunderstorms developing ahead of that approaching trough. And we expect to see showers and thunderstorms, as you see, moving over into Louisiana. Possibly some severe weather could be moving on into that area there, and we'll show you that area that is concerned here in just a second. But we do follow that with a cold front that will be pushing through on Saturday. Early in the afternoon, we'll jump up into the 70s briefly, but once this next push of Arctic air moves on through, those temperatures will be going down. So about a 25-degree change in temperatures from Saturday afternoon to what we're expecting Sunday afternoon, when we expect those temperatures to top out somewhere in the middle and upper 40s. Early next week starts off pretty chilly, but at least dry. However, as we get over into the middle part of the week, it does look like we'll have a chance for a little bit of a mix of showers, possibly some freezing rain or some snow showers, and that would be most likely occurring on Wednesday. Now, the severe outlook, as you see, we have an enhanced risk from the border region of Louisiana eastward into Alabama. The rest of East Texas will be under a slight risk, at least much of the rest of the East Texas, especially the eastern half, and then a marginal risk of severe storms in our western areas, and that would be Saturday afternoon on up to the late hours of Saturday afternoon, perhaps into the early evening. Temperatures right now, we're in the 40s across most of East Texas this morning. Now, as far as our next 7 days, we'll see that chance of showers and thunderstorms developing overnight tonight and on into Saturday. By Sunday, we'll be back to sunny skies but colder temperatures. Middle of next week, temperatures rise to the 50s, but then plunge again on Wednesday with that chance of rain, possibly some freezing rain or some snow in the East Texas area then on Wednesday. But you see the probability there is only 20%. Deep East Texas would probably escape the wintry type precipitation. You can check out that forecast anytime at KETK.com.
John, thank you.